I will never understand why there is a few cruise passengers out there that just utterly dislike, hate, drives them crazy that crew members speak a language other than English and they have to hear it. Why does that make you so crazy? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And yep, once again, we're going to talk about cruise passengers that seem to get upset if they hear crew members on board a cruise ship speaking in their native language. We've had this type of comment before. It's always the same thing. I heard a crew member speaking in their own language to another crew member, and now I am offended. I am disrespected. But why are you offended? Why are you disrespected? Especially on board a cruise ship. Experienced cruisers know you're going to have crew members from multiple nationalities. That's not new. For a lot of them, English is their second language that they learned to come on board a cruise ship and help take care of you and make your vacation that much better. So explain to me why, if you happen to be walking by, you hear a couple of crew members speaking to each other in their native language, does that bother you? Does that offend you? Does that upset you enough that you must write in a comment? And the part, I guess, that really baffles me about all of this is you're on a cruise ship that's going to leave the United States. It's going to go to a foreign port where there's a good chance that they may not speak English as a first language in that port. There's a chance that you could get off that cruise ship in a port and hear somebody speak in a language other than English. Do you get upset at them? Do you get mad? Do you get frustrated? Do you write comments to say, I don't know, Mexico, to let Mexico know, hey, it's disrespectful when I'm there and you speak Spanish instead of English? Because to me, that's about the same as it is fussing at crew members on board a cruise ship. Now, maybe that's just how I see it. Maybe I don't think they're talking about me or have anything to do with me. Maybe I'm just thinking that, hey, they're communicating with each other and it's probably easier for them. But maybe some people are just paranoid, and when they are, they got to put a comment in. Now, I'm going to share that comment with you. Comment's going to be read to you by Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald. I'm going to go ahead and share this clip, and we'll break it down at the end.
Now, talking of the crew, I want to share this one, and it's an interesting one. It comes up now and then, but I think, well, let me just read it from this lady here. I'm writing this from the Radiance and day 3 of me and my life partner's Hawaii cruise. By the way, this is a brilliant itinerary. We've got some great Hawaiian cruises this year and next year already advertised. So please do look at Hawaii if you can. It's just an incomparable experience, and some Carnival Radiance news coming in the days ahead as well. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, it says, I'm a diamond cruiser and not a person who complains. This is the first ship where I've heard the crew speaking to each other in their own language. We witnessed this today at brunch in the main dining room with, I won't mention the crew members' names, which she has listed here, speaking their own language right in front of us, exclamation mark. The same thing happened on the Lido buffet area when we went to get ice cream. There was a group of crew standing by the tables talking in their language. Why does Carnival allow this? When I get my nails done at home in Wilmington, everyone there is Vietnamese, but they never speak anything but English. That is respect. What is Carnival's policy? I know the crew work very hard, but it is disrespectful for them to be speaking their own language with passengers around. Just saying. Can I start by mentioning the most serious thing about that, and that is just a kind reminder that from here on in, for the rest of 2026, anybody who finishes a post or a message to me that says "just saying" will have nasty things done to them with a pair of buffet tongs. No, okay. Well, first of all, I hope this lady is having a wonderful time. And later today, I will, because of the time difference, I think, I don't know what time it is in I think they get to their first Hawaiian port tomorrow. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll send this to one of the senior managers on board and have them just have a little chat. But let me just say, I hope this lady's having a wonderful time. And you know, I've worked on ships. It'll be 40 years next year. Um, I don't. Crew members have always spoken their own language. It's easy if you're with a group of, let me just mention 2 or 3 nationalities. I'm not signaling these out. It's just how it is. Group of Indonesians together, a group of Filipinos, a group of Romanians, or a group of Italians, and you're just there talking. It's easy to slip into your own language because that is your first language. It is not that we are talking about, they are talking about you. You should not feel any disrespect. There's no underlying thing saying, oh, I can't believe, look at that lady. She's already had an ice cream and she's back for another one. They're not doing that. Listen, language barriers can cause confusion and frustration. Learning a new language is difficult, and all of our crew members, of course, who are in guest areas, must pass a very specific English examination to be there. But please don't think that they're talking about you. I promise you they are absolutely not. And it is definitely not something that you should be concerned about. We do ask crew members to speak English in guest areas. 99% of the time they do. But as I've seen for the last 40 years, it is so easy to slip into your own language just because it is your first language. And I hope that will have a little bit of explanation and some consideration for why this may happen from time to time. And, you know, gives me a chance to ask you, my American friends, why Kansas is pronounced Kansas, but Arkansas is pronounced Arkansas. I don't get that.
Well, there you go. They are upset that twice on their cruise, they heard crew members speaking in their native language. I do want to point out, of course, you got to get in there. I am Diamond. I don't like to complain, but I'm going to complain. They're going to let you know that they heard it, so it is disrespectful. How is that disrespectful? How is 2 crew members talking to each other that has nothing to do with you disrespectful? And of course, you got to end it with that just saying. I happen to agree with John Hill. I'm really tired of seeing it that at the end of a comment. Just saying. But John Hill, he is a much nicer person than I would ever be in this type of situation. He said he's going to send it off to the ship. He's going to let them know that this person was upset by this. That's a lot more than I would do, because honestly, I would be like, just stop. Just stop. My response would be, you're the one that got on a ship with people from all around the world that is leaving and traveling to different places around the world. There is a chance, a pretty damn good chance, you might hear something other than English during your voyage. And as I've said in the past on comments similar to this, unless you've done something to the crew, really, do you need to be concerned that they are talking about you behind your back? Is that a real concern for cruise passengers who are, I don't know, not guilty of abusing crew members? I guess I just don't see what the real issue and the real problem here is. I'd like to think we'd never see this type of comment again. I'd like to think that cruisers are tolerant people who get on a cruise ship simply to enjoy a cruise vacation and not worry so much about what everybody else around them is doing, especially when it's just not affecting your day-to-day trip. But I suppose if that was the case, and that was true, we wouldn't be putting out videos like this. But you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Are crew members speaking in their native language really such a problem that we need to halt it and stop it immediately? Let me know. And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.